Hello, and welcome to Charlotte Anderson Preparatory Academy, or CAPA for short. I am Marianne Morales. I have 23 years of education experience, the last 3 as principal here at CAPA. We are one of the only Avid elementary schools in Mansfield ISD and one in just a few of the entire state of Texas. Avid is a college readiness program designed to help students develop the skills and habits necessary for success in college and beyond. Avid skills focus on building skills like writing, critical thinking, teamwork, organization, and reading. Here, every student is empowered with Avid strategies to set goals, take ownership of their own learning, and build a future full of possibility. I'm going to send you to Mr. Wilson, our counselor, for the rest of the exciting things happening here at CAPA.
Hi, I'm Mr. Wilson, the counselor here at CAPA. We are the only elementary school to be recognized nationally for character programs, such as Character Counts and Character.org. In addition to developing skills that will carry our scholars into the future, our campus focuses on building character, confidence, and community so that our scholars are life ready. Come join the CAPA family and give us a call today to learn more about our school.